My final example, feel free to pause it right now and try it again on your own. See if you can get this on your own. This is what you'll be doing for some practice on your own later. The slope. Slope is found by doing y minus y over x minus x. So we're going to take our y minus y, our 3 minus 4, all over our x minus x, negative 1 minus 2. This gives me a negative 1 on top and a negative 3 on the bottom, which is a 1/3. Let's use this point. It's all positive right here. So we're going to say the point slope form would be y minus 4 equals 1/3 times x minus 2. Let's go ahead and put that now into slope-intercept form, distributing y minus 4 equals 1/3 x minus 2/3. My next step would be to add 4 to both sides, which gives me y equals 1/3 x. And then I'd be adding those together, a negative 2/3 and a 12/3. 12 and negative 2 gives me a positive 10/3. This is a great for standard or slope-intercept form, but standard form, not so great for because I'm not supposed to have any fractions. So we're going to eliminate the fractions, and we can do that by multiplying each of these terms by 3. Now typically I'll write them up above, but to save space here I'm writing them below. So y times 3 is 3y. 1/3 times 3, so I'll do that off to the side. 1/3 times 3 is a 1. And then 10/3 times 3, 10/3 times 3 is a 10. The last part I need to do for standard form here would be to move my x over. It actually makes it not the last thing now because I now have a negative x plus a 3y equals 10. We are not supposed to have we're not supposed to have fractions, but we're also supposed to keep that x positive. So if I change the x to being positive, then that means I'm going to change my y to negative and my 10 to negative. So I changed all of my signs, and there's my standard form. Here was my slope-intercept form, and then right here was my point-slope form.